Hi guys, good morning from Queenstown. So, andito tayo sa lakeside, Lake Wakatipu. Ito sa parang boardwalk. This is a boardwalk. Maraming mga lumalangoy na mga duck dito. There. Kita nyo ba? Kita nyo ba? Then yung mga ibon na lumilipad. So, maganda dito. Every morning, walang tao. Medyo late na sila mag-open ng mga stores at maaga rin mag-close. So I think ang sinasabi nila dito, yung work at saka yung work and life balance mahalaga sa kanila. So parang wala nag-overtime. So sometimes kapag tapos ng trip ninyo, wala na kayong pupuntahan because lahat ng establishment are closed except for some restaurants of course who caters late diners tsaka yung mga gustong uminom pa. Kung maalala nyo, sa Queenstown din ginanap yung kasal ni Ann Curtis. It's about 20-minute boat ride from here. It's called Walter's Farm. Pupuntahan namin bukas. But today, we will be exploring something exciting again. Aside from the helicopter that we did yesterday, speedboat naman kami ngayon. Hindi ko lang alam kung makukunan ko kasi baka masira na naman tong gimbal dahil sa lakas ng hangin. Noong nakaraan, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi nasira siya dahil malakas yung hangin sa taas ng bundok. Hindi na siya gumagana. So I have to do hard reset para bumalik siya sa dati. Bumalik naman sa awa ng Diyos kasi bago pa naman siya, sayang naman. So yun lang. So I'll be updating you later for our next adventure. See you guys! Hey guys! Nandito kami ni Sis Mira sa Verge Burger. Ito yung sikat na burger dito sa New Zealand. So yes, let's show the in Verge we trust since year 2000. Tapos yan, ang kita mo yung mga tao na yan. They are all waiting for their order, hamburger. Our number is, where's my our number is 100, oh my god. Where is it? 105. You're 104. Okay. Mine is 105. So, bumili lang kami ng hamburger. Titikman natin kung masarap talaga siya. Kung totoo ba ang chismis o hype lang ito dito sa New Zealand. So, abangan natin.
Ikaw, ba't di ka pa kumakain?
So, Kitty Cat, how is your Ferg's burger?
The bread is very big.
Very, very big.
The bread is yummy.
What about Miss Lauren?
The bread.
How is it?
It's good. And it's matabang. But it's good.
Matabang, kailangan ng asin. Ikaw naman, Chef Mira, how do you find it?
We got a lot of bread. Our burgers in the Philippines is better.
Kumaingay. So, okay, mine is here. Mamaya pa ako. Yan.
It's not matabang because it has bacon.
Vegan.
Bacon.
May bacon, may bacon. Kala ko, ang bingi-bingi ko.
That vegan longganisa. Yeah. Di ba? This one is a deluxe. Diba? Hindi ba ako nakakaabot sa ba? Mas maalat eh. Mas maalat sa masarap. I would say salt.
Walang first burger. Finally, we have the burger. Sana hindi ka malaglag Huwag ka malaglag. Yung camera ko. Yung camera yung hindi yung burger. So, yung burger. Ang daming dahon at saka laki. Parang kasya sa bunganga mo. So big. Pero may na hamburger lang naman to. Apart. Bakit dami pa ng tao? May susunod ka ba? Hindi talaga.
Oh, yan. Dito mo na tayo.
Masarap naman. Baka na sa akin una lang. Pero pag nandun ka na sa loob, masarap na siya. Guys, ito na yung lunch namin. Kasi alis na kami ng 12:15 papunta dun sa boat ride. Sa kailangan busog pa. Sobrang namin pa rito sa La Paz. Para kung ano, punta dito sa Home Alone. Sarap naman. Dahil dyan, binilan ko na rin si Madam Ellie and Madam Chen. Hati na lang sila. Wala na akong pera. Kasi Ellie, sabi mo sa akin, nilibre mo ako ng lunch, hindi mo pa ako nililibre kahit minsan. At saka yung Mirasol. Wala pa.
Mamaya pa sa Yung CEO ng Primo, nangako naman.
Yun nangako yung CEO ng Primo Chicken. Nangako ng lunch sa akin.
Nanawagan.
Wala po. Ako pa po ang nag-aabono.
CEO
CEO po yan.
ng Primo.
Primo's Chicken.
Batangas.
Batangas. Primo's Chicken, Batangas.
Batangas chapter.
Parang sorority lang. Tinatawagan ko po yung CEO ng Primo's Chicken. Maawa na po kayo sa amin.
Wag po kayong makakakwa.
Huwag po tayong mangako. I-release ko to sa Senado ngayon. Your Honor. Ito na siya. Ay, alika rito. Ito yung
CEO.
ito yung CEO ng Primo's Chicken. Tandaan niyo po yung mukha. Batangas branch.
Ng
Oo.
lunch.
Sabi niya po sa akin, nilibre niya ako ng lunch, dinner, pati merienda. Wala pa pong nangyayari. Abonado pa po ako.
Pauwi na tayo bukas.
Pauwi na po
Hi
kami
guys,
bukas.
please visit Unlimited Primos, Unlimited Bucket Wings Primos, Batangas in Transit Terminal.
Okay, itatag natin yung Facebook account sa Instagram account. No?
And I promise, I will feed Dick. I will do the feeding program.
Bakit naman feedback? Ano mo baboy ako rin? Ayun, marami na tayong audience. So, sige. Thank you, madam. So, abangan po natin yan, madam.
PCR lang ako ito yung... Alagay ko to dito, okay lang.
Kain tayo ng first burger.
PCR.
Ito na yung sasakyan namin. Skipper Canyon Jet. Sigurado ba tayo? Parang nahihilo na ako ngayon pala. So this is...
Mind your head as you go in. That low, just don't think your sunglasses.
Hi!
Goes to the same place, yeah? Never right.
Ay, tawagan.
Putang init.
So this road, it is a dead end. It gets up to that branches station at the end. It's probably about 40 kilometres long. So the road is two-way. We do run into traffic quite often. Also, have a guess what the speed limit is down here. Any guesses?
No.
The speed limit is actually 100 kilometers an hour. I know. If you see me doing anything near 100, it means I've passed out. So I want you to come forward and put the handbrake on. Alright?
Ayan. Dito tayo sa Skipper's Road. Dinala tayo ng tour guide natin para sa riverboat ride natin. Parang extra destination siya. So, from here, may vantage point ka na makita mo yung valley sa may Queenstown, sa may ibang mga neighboring town ng South Island. Nakikita niyo yun? Yan. Ito. Niliparan ng helicopter natin kahapon. So, nandiyan tayo na. This time, it's another adventure. So, see you later! Alright guys, nandito na kami dun sa River Rapids kung saan kami sasakay ng boat after nung nakaka-shock na drive, very steep drive dun sa gilid ng mountain. So, this is the place. Ayan. That will be the boat. So, as you can see. So, ayan na sila. Pagbibihis na sila ng ng life vest. Kasi for safety. Medyo hindi maganda yung amoy. Dami na sigurong gumamit nito. It's our tour guide.
Cold and
It's very cold here. This used to be a mining site of gold. Okay.
all good. You had sunglasses.
Yeah.
You gonna leave them on there? Okay. Wind.
Alright.
Yeah.
Can I get it?
Yeah. 100%.
Alright, sure. Okay, it's time to board. Sis, ready ka na sis?
I'm ready. Hold on to me. Hold me. Don't let me fall, sis.
Yes, I will do that. Madam Ellie, are you sure you want to do this?
Excited?
God, I feel like peeing.
There you
Stop
go.
this-
Once you're on the boat, you'll forget and you'll be
Oh yeah, I
fine.
think so. I think so. I
How
think
long
so.
is this?
30 minutes.
30 minutes?
25, 30 minutes. Yep. Pretty quick though.
Alright.
Ayoko sa gilid. Sa gitna ako. Ako once in the gilid. Ako ayoko. Sa tatabi ako kay Kate. Huwag kahawak ako kay Kate.
Maybe I want there. Sa dulo. Go sis.
Two into the back.
Ha?
Yeah.
Yep.
Like at the back? Tayo. Pinakaano.
There you go. Perfect.
Gusto ko lang may katabi ako sa tayo. Ayan. Selfie. Okay.
Emergency lights. So if we caught
Sis, dito na lang kaya tayo.
Masikip na sis. O sige.
emergency,
Pumapit ka dito. Ayan o. Ganyan. Hindi, mas maano nga dito.
alright, what do you think here? Slow or fast?
Slow.
Moderate.
Slow, please.
Oh my God.
Sis. Oo, kumahon ka sa akin. Ay, wait lang. Uy, baka tumabot tayo. Uy, naku! Susuka na ako!
moments later.
So guys, ayoko na. Nasusuko na ako. Pero so, ayan po ang mga casualties natin. Okay. Another,
That was fun!
how was it?
That was
Miss
fun!
Rose?
Awesome!
Diyos ko, para akong binlower ng ano, nahihilo yata ako. Nahihilo yata ako. Opo.
Gusto ka na umihi doon.
Sis!
Iihi na ako, sis. Itakluban mo ko. Iihi ako, hindi ko lang may cubicle ata doon.
Ellie, Madam Ellie, how are you?
I feel like throwing up.
Okay, wait lang. Anong ginagawa mo? Sumusuka si Ellie. Oh, mas ka na.
Hindi ba ito pwede?
Wala sarado.
Ano gagawin mo? Umihi ako doon.
Sige na sa likod lang para magtakip ka lang doon. Papapuntahin ko rito yung driver.
Mahaba yung coat natin.
Saan niya?
Upo ka.
Driver, can you come here? Diyan na sa likod. Tanggalin mo yung tanggalin mo yung salawal mo. Naku, nakikita ng driver sa gulong yung ano mo. nakita ng driver.
Seryoso ba?
Tignan mo yung ano. Rico!
Ano?
Rico, sakit na ng likod ko. Rico, sige na. Halika na.
May gulong?
Ang po mga kaibigan ng inihian ni Ellie.
Gulong para hindi ka kita.
Diyan po siya umihi. Hindi po sa loob, sa labas po. Nakaharap dito.
Okay, sis,
Go.
paano find gold?
Yes, can you find gold for us? Kasi we don't have money.
We need gold.
Yeah, we need gold.
Paper thing.
Yeah, okay.
Not a lot of gravel in there. Gravel's better, I think.
Okay.
Then you, what do you do?
Then you make laba-laba.
You make laba-laba. Do you have soap?
Ellie, dapat dito ka umihi.
Yan sis.
Baka may gold.
Yan sis, okay.
Okay?
And
Sana
then,
hindi ka sumulubsob, di ba?
okay. Sis, hindi bigas yan.
Mali. Dapat ganyan daw.
Ayun, ganun daw, ganun, oh.
Bakit wala ko nakikita?
Ito may gold.
Yeah. Ay,
Naiihi ako eh.
napakahusay, sis.
Ang hirap ko lang magtaka.
Mineral.
Puro burak yung nakuha ni sis.
Wait.
Ayun, oh, there's something. Yes, what is it?
Wait, another water.
Yung wiwi ni Ellie.
Kailangan na mahiwagang wiwi ni Ellie.
Para mabutong ka. Doon na lang parang wiwi pa baba.
Ayoko na.
Sis, don't you think there's gold here?
You have to break it.
Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
I'm the cameraman.
Nakuha mo yung gold ko.
Look, oh.
Sa'yo na.
You got one?
oh. Parang just like... There's like a golden something there. Oh, this one po ko.
Oo nga, may gold siguro yan.
Gold?
Ewan.
Gold yan?
Hindi namin alam.
Okay, you get that rock and then we will bring it to the Philippines.
I'm happy.
Ito, papadala ko kay...
I think there's kind of gold sheen there.
I think so.
See?
Yeah, okay. Miss Jen,
Yes,
yeah, have you seen gold?
not a success.
So that we can buy another earring. Okay, stop over, guys. This is Lighthouse Rock, right? And the other one over there, Castle Rock. So these two rocks are the Gates of Mordor from the Lord of the Rings movie. There you are. So guys, nandito na kami. Ang gulo ng buhok ko. Sa may office ng skipper jet, no? Boat jet, something like that. So we're having a 20-minute break before we go back to the city, and they have free cookie and tea and coffee inside. And of course, the Berg's Burger girls are eating their burgers. How was it? Good. You have to drink water, especially you, Ellie. Yeah, there's tea. Hi, sis.
Hi, sis. I have my own tea.
Oh, really? Yeah. You didn't get the tea from the from the operator.
No, I have my...
And you have your own cookie.
The cookies in my pocket.
Why is it in your pocket?
I love the... Wait, here.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, the same cookie inside.
Same cookie.
Yeah. It's called, he told me it's called rock cookies. Because, you know,
hard. It's
inspired of the Rocky Mountains.
It's hard.
Sorry.